hydraulic and mechanical press.
Hi everyone, I'm Zora from TTM. Today, I would like to introduce our brand new 1000 tons hydraulic press to you. The bed size is 4 meters by 2.2 meters. The main function of this press is for supporting and very suitable for the deep draw parts. Inside of the press, it got a cushion pin which can do the adjustment work if long travel gets sprint not back to the shop yet. In total, we have 6 presses from 300 tons to 2000 tons. The biggest table is 6.5 meters by 2.5 meters. If you got any metal stamping die inquiries from small to large dies, we would be more than happy to quote for you. Thank you.